Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I apologize for the red face. I had to use some Effudex for 4 days, and man, did it turn my face red. I hate to look at myself, so I may turn away. Anyway, it's hard to convince people they're not going to jail if they haven't filed their back tax return. So I am going to try. So I want to talk to you today about how do you deal with multiple years of back tax return and understanding that IRS just does not want to put you in jail. As a former IRS agent, I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for how long now? 4 decades. I've been doing this 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been on all the major TV stations. I've been on ABC, Fox, and News Nation, Newsmax, CBS, ABC. I don't even remember all the stations I've been on, but I just want to tell you today, I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff, and just so you know, you are not going to go to jail if you haven't filed your tax returns. Now, with that said, are there statutes or can they do things? Yes. If you have committed serious financial crimes where you're involved in money laundering and all these conspiracies and everything going on, but 99.999% of all you people out there are not going to jail at all for not filing your tax returns. Why? IRS has bigger fish to fry than you. So at the end of the day, all you got to do is file the last 6 years, and that's it. IRS is happy with you. They don't care if you haven't filed 30 years back, 40 years back, 50 years back, 10 years back. They just want the last 6. If you don't believe me, look up IRS policy statement. Listen, policy statement 5-133. There's a whole series of policy statements that the Internal Revenue Service has, and that's where you'll find this one. They only want the last 6 years. Why? They don't have records that far back. And at some point in time, you're going to have to file them. Why? IRS is either going to bang at your door. Okay, they're going to either serve you a subpoena to come in and prepare the records, and you don't want to do that, or IRS is going to prepare your returns. All you need to do is call someone, pick up the phone, and say, hey, IRS ain't going to do a damn thing to you. At some point in time, they're going to make you file, and they're going to choke your neck to do it. All you got to do is pick up the phone. This way, you've relieved yourself of all the issues. You don't have the pressure. You don't have the worry. You suppress the worry you have, but you don't have to do that anymore. With or without records, we can prepare your back tax return. We've been doing this for 50 years. So anyway, I'm just trying to tell you, whether you use us or someone else, whoever, just file the last 6 years. That's it. You're free. Then if you owe money, you can work out either a payment agreement, IRS will put you in hardship, or you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. One of those 3 things are going to happen to you, and they're not bad. So anyway, give me a subscription if you would. Happy to answer any questions. I've been doing this a long time. Believe everything I tell you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and I'm sorry for my red face. I hate it. Thank you for the subscription.